Yeah, Devo the Ambivert, the BS is cooked like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to Rain by Persia. I'm about to get right into the reaction. Before I do, if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. When y'all hit that bell, y'all will receive all the notifications as far as the future vids that I will come out with. Let's check it out. Let's peep, you dig? I like the visuals, man. I like the thunder, and yeah, bro, I dig that. I rock with that. I see my sis swagging, man. I see her swagging. She got the umbrella. You know what I'm saying? The rain sound. I see the lightning and all, bro. That artwork cold, though. That artwork cold. Shout out to Black Ledge.
I'm some money, looks like I bought the rain with me. Only pally with my day ones that came with me.
She said she only party with the day ones that came with her, bro. Like, come on, man. I salute her, bro, for having only real people around her, for only having real people in her circle. Like, no snakes in our circle. Like High Rez's merch, man, for real. Like, she the people that's around her are the people that were with her through the thick and thin, that were with her through it all, they were with her on her entire journey, on her way up to success. You know what I'm saying? Like, they were with her shooting in the gym. You know what I'm saying? They were with her shooting in the gym. Like, that's what's up, bro. Like, I salute your friends, man. Like, they're thoroughbred, they're authentic, they're genuine. You know what I mean? They're not foo-foo, they're not fugazi, they're not fakers, man. Like, they were there with you, they were there for you. Like, that's what's up, bro. Like, that's what's up. Like, no fake love is allowed. No inauthenticity is allowed. You know what I'm saying? Straight up.
I'm from
like I don't want fake love around me. I don't want fake people around me. Like, it's, you know what I'm saying? Like that. I don't need low vibrational energy around me. You know what I mean? I don't need people who have a low vibration around me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's, come on, man. Like, they say your they say your trajectory is determined by your circle. The trajectory in your life is determined by your circle. Like, it's so if you're around uplifting, if you're around truly uplifting and positive people, and like genuine people, if you're around those type of people, the energy is gonna rub off on you. Like, energy rubs off on people. Like, if you're around if you're around people with bad energy, the bad energy is gonna rub off on you. So it's like, you are there's a saying that exists. It's you are the sum of the five people you hang around the most. So it's like, if you're around, like, yeah, if you're around smart people, like, you know what I mean, that it's going, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna rub off on you. If you're around wealthy people, that's gonna rub off on you. If you're around people who are if you're around negative people, that's gonna rub off on you. If you're around people with a negative mindset, like, that's gonna rub off on you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, a negative, like, if you're around people with no goals and stuff like that, that's gonna rub off on you. So it's like, you know what I mean? It's like, if you're around like 9 people with no goals, you're gonna be the 10th person. Like, if you're around 9 people who are smart, you're gonna be the 10th smart person. If you're around 9 uplifting people, you're gonna be the 10th.
It looks like I bought the rain with me.
So your circle matters. Like, who you have around you matters, bro. You are the company you keep, bro.
I'm from money, looks like
So shout out to this whole team. Like, she got her whole squad, her whole team with her, man. Like, they real. You know what I mean? She's saying they real. They were with her. They were with her the whole time on her journey, man. On her, you know what I'm saying?
I'm from money, looks like I bought the rain with me. Only
Weather
pally
bars,
with my day ones that came with me.
precipitation
They
bars.
saw the struggle, the hustle, they felt the pain with me.
Salute,
so when I
big
gain,
up.
it's the same people I take with me. Lord forgive me, put your hands together, pray with me.
Religious
we stand
bars.
together, run together, yeah, we stay busy.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. All the women in this video are very attractive, bro. Like, they're very beautiful. Like, I gotta be honest. I gotta keep it a stack with y'all, man. I gotta keep it a thou. They hotties, bro. They hotties, bro. They all They all like, yeah, bro. Yeah.
So they felt the pain with me. So when I gain, it's the
I see
same
them.
people
I see them
that
teeing
hate
up.
with me.
I see them
Lord
dancing,
forgive
man.
me, put your hands together, pray with me.
Religious
We stand
bars.
together, run together, yeah, we stay busy. Don't let us sin kick in the door like the late Biggie.
Woo!
My people hungry.
Yeah, that's a bar.
Lord forgive me, put your
Hey,
hand.
rest well, Christopher Wallace, man. Rest well, Notorious B.I.G., one of the greatest rappers of all time. That's a Biggie song. Kicking the door. Come on, man.
Together.
Hey, I love that she pays homage to her predecessors, to her forerunners, man. I love that she shows respect to the ones who paved the way for her. You know what I'm saying? Straight up.
With me, we stand.
That's a commendable. I commend artists who show respect for the forerunners, man. For the people who paved the way for them. I commend people like High Eminem, Crypt. You know what I'm saying? I commend people like that, bro.
Together, run together.
I commend Persia, you know what I'm saying?
We stay busy, don't let us sin kick in the door like the late Biggie.
Bars.
My people hungry and they trust me, they've got faith in me.
Is that a Faith Evans reference? Because Faith was with Biggie, you know what I'm saying? They had a child together. So that, hey, I'm telling you, she deserves way more subscribers than she has, bro. Like, how does she have, like, it's like, It doesn't make sense that she only has 110 subscribers, bro. It's mind baffling, bro.
Lord forgive me, put your hands
Like
together, pray with
she's
me.
fuego,
We
bro.
stand
Like I'm
together.
not even gassing her up, bro. I mean it when I say she's crazy with the bar spitting and she got swag, like she got swag and the lyrics, like she nice, bro.
Lord forgive me, put your hands together, pray with me. We stand together, run together, yeah, we stay busy. Don't let us sin kick in the door like the late Biggie. My people hungry and they trust me, they've got faith in me. I'm the greatest, please don't at me, your debate with me.
She said don't at me, don't
moving fakely, then you probably.
I think that's a Twitter bar. Don't at me or debate with me. That's the late Biggie.
My people hungry and they trust me. They've got faith in me. I'm the greatest. Please don't at me or debate with me. You're moving fakely, then you probably won't relate with me.
Hey, that's real, bro. Like if you fugazi, you cannot be around me. We cannot hang. If you on BS, bro. If you on some inauthenticity type of stuff. If you're not official, if you're not thorough, if you're not thoroughbred, you got to get from around me on the real.
Stay busy, don't let us sin kick in the door like the late Biggie. My people hungry and they trust me, they've got faith in me. I'm the greatest, please don't at me or debate
don't
with
at me
me.
or debate
You're moving fakely, then you probably won't relate with me. I'm climbing ladders, but the adders and the snakes with me. They act the baddest, but they're rattled when they're faced with me.
Yeah, that's a bar, cause bro, rattlesnake, come on, man, bars, bro.
You're moving fakely,
her wordplay is nasty,
bro. With me. I'm climbing ladders, but the adders and the snakes with me. They act the baddest.
No snakes in our circle like High Res merch, man. Straight up, no snakes, man.
They're rattled when they're
faced. She said, "There's no snakes allowed, man. Respect to you, Persia."
I face my darkest times alone.
She's spinning bars, bro.
You're moving fakely, then you probably won't relate with me. I'm climbing ladders, but the adders and the snakes
she's a real lyricist, bro.
But they're rattled when they're faced with me. I face my darkest times alone, and that remains with me. Cut from a different cloth, the fabric must have changed with me. Linked up with gigs, and now people don't act the same with me. I'm not lying, I'm a lion. There's no taming me. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain,
she
I make
switched the
it
flow up.
I make it rain.
She got in her chopper bag right here. You know what I'm saying?
With me, linked up with gigs, and now people don't act the same with me. I'm not lying, I'm a lion. There's no taming me. I bring the storm,
wordplay, bro.
I make it rain, I make it pour, I make it rain.
Yeah, I'm uncontrollable. You can't control me. You can't.
I bring the storm.
You can't stop me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not lying. I'm not. Come on, man. I'm not lying. I'm a lion. Like, lion, the animal, the feline. There's no taming me. Like, like lions get tamed. Like, come on, man, bro. But she's a lion she's an untamed lion, bro. Like, she's unstoppable, bro. Like, you can't stop her. You can't control her. You can't enslave her. You know what I'm saying? She's mentally free. Like come on, man. Come on, man.
I'm lying, there's no
like she does what she, you know what I mean? She has control over her own mind. You know what I mean? You ain't gonna control her, bro.
I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour.
Salute to Persia, man. Salute.
I bring the storm. I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm. I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm. I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it pour. I'm a whole mood when I bowl through your boardroom, and I bought.
She gotta help. She wavy with it, bro. She wavy and she lyrical. She wavical. She wavical with it. She wavical.
I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it. Make it rain. I make it.
They teeing up in this joint. They having fun, bro.
I bring the storm. I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm. I bring the storm. I make it rain. I make it pour. I make it rain. I make it pour.
How can you not rock with this, bro? How can you not rock with this? How can you not like this, bro?
I make it rain. I make it pour. I make
like,
it pour.
if you don't think she has skills, you gotta be smoking on something crazy. Like, you gotta, like, in the words of Upchurch, your ears are broke. Like, if y'all don't think she has skills, like, come on, man, like. Y'all bugging. Like, y'all bugging if y'all think she's trash, y'all bugging. Y'all lying, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Make it rain, I make it pour. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm, I bring the storm.
She got the swag, she got the lyrics, she got the flow. Like, come on.
I make it pour. I'm a whole mood when I fall through your boardroom, and I bought a bunch of animals, a whole zoo. Them man are lucky like a horseshoe. Persia bring the passion and the
alliteration though.
Savage and I'm badder than them broads too.
Bras means women. Bras is synonymous to women. That's the slang term.
And I bought
that's a colloquial term.
A whole zoo. Them man are lucky like a horseshoe. Persia bring the passion and the force too. Savage and I'm badder than them broads too. You can even go and ask the gal, them man, it's so true. They ain't even challenging, them all slew. Baddest in the south, I'm the baddest in the north too. Money, yeah, I bring my people all through. Any plot against me will inevitably fall through. Persia in the Bentley, they don't wanna see it all, boo. They don't wanna see me racking up a fortune. They just wanna see me bummy riddled with misfortune.
It's sad that people want other people to, like, it's sad that people wish for other people's downfall, man. It's sad that people don't want other people to win. It's sad that people don't want other people to succeed, bro. It's like the ill will is a societal sickness. It's a blight, bro. It's a blight in society, man. It's like people want other people to be unhappy and miserable, but it's like they don't, like, they hate their lives, bro. So they want other people to be miserable and unhappy, bro. And it's like, come on, man. Like, that's not cool, man. That's not cool at all, bro. Like be happy for people, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, why people gotta be hateful, man? Like, why are people hateful towards other people, man? Like, one of my sayings is focus on creating instead of hating. Like, instead of hating on people and, like, wishing for their downfall, like, be happy for people, man. Like, focus on creating and you know what I mean? Like, man, bro, it's like,
against me will inevitably.
It's like, if you see people, like people should be happy for people that are progressing, man, and succeeding and moving in the right direction, bro. Like,
so true. They ain't even challenging, them all slew. Baddest in the south, I'm the baddest in the north too. Money, yeah, I bring my people all through. Any plot against me will inevitably fall through. Persia in the Bentley, they don't wanna see it all, boo. They don't wanna see me racking up a fortune. They just wanna see me bummy riddled with misfortune. They don't wanna see me 5 stars in the source soon. By far on the best of the fucking bunch. Right bars by the north moon, rest under the sun, biatch. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain,
I love
I
her
make
confidence,
it pour.
bro.
I
I
make it
love
rain,
her
I make it
confidence.
pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it pour. I bring the storm, I bring the storm. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it rain, I make it pour. I make it pour.
Shout out to the team, man. Shout out to Persia. Shout out to them, man. Straight up, like they chilling, they cooling, man. Hey, Persia got that umbrella. She got the swag. She swagging. She dripping. You know what I'm saying? She got the drip. She got the nice shades. I see. Yo, she beautiful, bro. And she's a bar spitter, bro. Like she's not just a pretty face, bro. Like she got substance in her music, and yeah, bro. If y'all like that joint, like that, comment, share, subscribe, show us some love. Tell her Devo that Ambivert sent you. Let's get our views and subscribers up, man. For real. Like let's get her to 1,000 this week. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers this week. Let's get the views of this up. This joint deserves at least hundreds of thousands of views, bro. Like she's spinning real. She's spinning realness on that joint. She spat realness on that joint. She ain't nobody to play with. She's not like everybody else, bro. Like she's herself, bro, and I respect that immensely, bro. That's praiseworthy, bro. Like genuineness and authenticity. Come on, man. Like I respect genuineness and authenticity, bro. Like straight up, like come on, man. I appreciate and love y'all, man. That's it for this reaction. One love to the family of DTA. Elevation War 4, no GTA. I'm gone. Adios, nos vemos, man. Y'all stay safe, stay COVID free. Let's continue to fight against the evil. I'm out.